Life with my dogs.
Hey there, dog lovers. Celebrations are fun for us, but for our dogs, not always. Fireworks, loud music, and crowds can make your pup anxious and scared. So today, I'm sharing quick, effective tips to help calm your dog during noisy events and holidays. First, recognize the signs of anxiety. Shaking, hiding, panting, barking, or even trying to escape. These are all signs your dog is overwhelmed. Tip number 1. Create a safe space. Set up a quiet, cozy area where your dog can retreat. Use their bed, favorite toys, and maybe a blanket over a crate to muffle sounds. Tip number 2. Drown out the noise. Play calming music or turn on a white noise machine to mask the booms and bangs from fireworks or parties. Tip number 3. Use calming products. Try anxiety wraps, calming sprays, or vet-approved treats and chews. These can help your dog relax naturally. Tip number 4. Keep them distracted. Play gentle games, practice tricks, or offer a puzzle toy to keep their mind off the noise outside. Tip number 5. Stay calm yourself. Your dog picks up on your energy. If you stay relaxed and soothing, your dog is more likely to do the same. Celebrations don't have to be scary for your pup. With a little preparation, you can help them stay safe and calm. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more dog-friendly tips. Thanks for watching.
Life with my dogs.